Everyone, in this class we are just going to have a continuation of last class topic, that is the wearable device. So in this class we are just going to discuss on what is the limitation and future perspectives of this wearable device. So here I have listed out all sort of wearable device, smart watches, patches, and other clothes and smart accessories, smart wearable devices. If you take any sort of wearable device, we have a certain limitation in each and everything. So how we can overcome this limitation, that is going to be act as our scope, or future scope, in order to strengthen in the way that found as a future perspective for these particular wearable device. So for on the whole, if you see, these wearable device falls in these different following limitation. The first one is the price and affordability. Okay, so because all the wearable device is not easily affordable, because this it has like cost, a little much a high cost. Okay, the restriction is there in all high brand wearable devices and all. So the price and affordability is also very less. And second one, if you see, the usage of leads, we can't use too many leads or too many sensors to capture the too many datas, because since these wearable device has to made in compact and small, we were like work on in that aspect. So we will be limiting our number of leads to be used to capture the vital signs. But the thing is that if you are using a single leads or the single sensor for capturing one data, means there the accuracy will be in very big question mark. So that is the reason it also falls under the category of one sort of limitation. And third one is the finite power supply. So the all sort of wearable device, it has to be work for 24 cross 7. So the continuous power supply is mandatory. So the power supply is also found as one of the limitation, because it has to be run again all day and night. So we have to be work on this power supply also. In some wearable device will give the power supply, I mean will have a battery backup of 1 day or 2 days, or some cases for 3 days, or in some cases it will give just 1 or 2 hours. So in that case we can't able to capture what is our status of our heart. We don't have the valuable information about particular data for it won't be good for continuous monitoring. So that in that case the battery backup is very important for this sort of wearable device. So it also found as one of the limitation over there. And also the last and most is like the complexity of the user interface, and the management, data management also the very important, because the privacy matters a lot, because all the data is being stored in the wearable device, whether it is smartwatch or any kind of product. So these privacy of data management or data storage is very important, that also we have to be concentrate more. And also like the complexity user management, the complexity of product. Okay, so in these days so many technologies being evolved. So when these technologies being added in this product, the user find very difficulty to assess the product. Okay, so that is it is not coming actually the user friendly. So the complexity is being added as long as the technology is evolved day by day. So that part also we have to be look into to reduce the complexity, so that the user can easily assess the product for effective outcome, or to have a effective usage. So these are the certain limitation that we can see in a wearable device. These limitation will pave the way to give so many solution to be bring in the future, that found as a future perspective for this wearable device. So what are the things I have listed in the column of limitation? If you work on it, and if you are bringing the solution for this limitation, that is going to be the future scope of your wearable device, that is increasing affordability or self powered wearables. If you have made in the sense, there is a no problem of using a separate or dependent battery source. And also you have a very good number of, if you are adding number of sensor or a miniaturized sensor, a high quality sensor, in this means accuracy will also be enhanced. So followed by the monitoring will also be enhanced. So these are the future perspectives, if you can see in future, if you are overcome these sort of limitation whatever I have discussed now. Okay, so next two slides, just I have shown what are the different types of a device and a manufacturer, and then for and next I have mentioned the product name and what this product actually meant for, whether it's doing functionality of cardiac measurements or any other measurements, and also what are the certification it has to be made when it bring into market. So and its original official website I have listed out. So these two slides I have just given what are the different making and model of different sort of wearable device and its subsequent features and certifications and their website link for your future reference. So when you are free, when you have any free time, just look on this official website and see what are the unique features they have been added in each and every model for to gain more information about this wearable device. Thank you.